Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the Strava photo overlay. So if you don't know what this has been going viral on social media recently. Here's an example. It's basically where you have a photo of yourself and then a Strava run just overlaid on the background here. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in the next 5 minutes. Super simple. We're going to run through a guide I made, and then we're going to do it live here. So before you dive in, make sure you join the AI Academy. This is where this free guide is. If you go into Classroom and AI Guides, we have a ton of free guides for prompts, tools, everything you would need. First link in the description, or you can just follow along on this video. So we're going to be turning any running photo or photo in general into a Strava screenshot that has a cinematic composition under 2 minutes, and no design skills are needed. So what you need, you're going to need 3 things: ChatGPT Plus or Pro, which we have right here, a running photo of yourself. I just used this gym photo from a little bit ago, and then a Strava activity screenshot. So this was a run I went on last week. Perfect. So now that we have all of that, a few photo tips here. You should be using a running photo. I'm not a runner, so I just use something from at the gym, but like we have here, like a full body running photo, or just you want to track, works well. And then the Strava screenshot, make sure it has the route map cropped tightly as well. And why that screenshot matters is this is what ChatGPT is going to be pulling from, and you don't want the map to be looking all janky. So step-by-step guide here, really quick video today. Open ChatGPT. Open the app, make sure you're on GPT 4.0, which we are. Upload both images. Again, I've uploaded both of them here. Boom and boom. Oh, and I just deleted one. So we're going to go grab that. Great, there we go. Paste in the prompt. We have the master prompt right here, which I've already pasted in, which again, you can get the free guide in the description. It's just telling ChatGPT how to use the 2 images you've given. Paste the prompt in, hit send, and wait. So we're going to hit send here, and you'll see ChatGPT digest the images and then start creating the image, and then download and share. So we're going to see what it creates here, and then we have some troubleshooting tips and some different bonus variations that you can try as well. So this usually takes 15 to 30 seconds, and these are with just 2 photos I randomly pulled. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can do this as many times as you like. For me, this was just something really cool I wanted to try. Again, I'm not a runner, but I thought someone out there might find this useful. If they've seen it on Instagram or something, they really want to give it a try themselves. So again, this will take probably another 15 seconds here as it's starting to finish up. Super simple, just 2 photos and the prompt, and you're pretty much done. And we're going to see what ChatGPT comes up with here. I haven't tried this before with this photo set and this Strava run, so I guess we'll see live what it comes up with here any second. Looks like it's done. Oh, very cool. So if you go here, it's photo overlay of me. Again, if this was probably a better image, it wouldn't look like it was pasted in, but we have me, we have the run on the ground. Wow. And then we have the distance, moving time, calories burned, average pace, average heart rate. Very cool and super easy. You can just screenshot this, share it with your friends. Very neat. So troubleshooting, so yeah, the face doesn't look like you can tell it to regenerate it. Make sure the stats here, we're going to make this look, we're going to do a live edit here really quick. I just didn't format this correctly. These are some follow-ups and prompts to send. The face doesn't look like you if the stats are wrong. The route looks flat. If you want different roads, live edits. There we go. Live edits, great. Yeah, so if your face doesn't look right, you can tell it to regenerate with this prompt. If the stats are wrong, use this prompt. Route looks funny, outfit, all this stuff. Bonus variations that I've heard you can try. Cinematic gold, hour lighting, long shadows, warm. Kind of makes it more Instagram ready. You can do a drone shot angle, which I think looks cool, or a foggy morning as well. As a matter of fact, while we're going over the ending here, let's try one of those. So we're going to upload both of our images again. There we go. And we're going to paste in the same prompt, showing you guys live here. So we go here, we paste it in, boom, and then we're going to add in the bottom here of this. Make this Bang. Great. We'll see what it comes up with here. Now, we share AI stuff every day on this channel. If you like this guide, members inside the AI Academy Plus are taking their AI knowledge and turning it into cash. If you don't hit for $1,000 in revenue in 90 days, you get a full refund. Yeah, if you want to join the free community as well, you can chat about this guide and what you've created in the community here. There will be a post up here on the YouTube resources once this video gets live. As you see, we post the videos and people jump in and they chat about it, what they've tried, what they're learning. We launched this 2 weeks ago. It's already almost at 1.5K members, which is unbelievable. So grateful, so excited. There's just gonna be so many like-minded people in the same space, learning, teaching each other. It's gonna be a great place, and I respond to all my DMs. This was at 99 this morning. Went through them all. If you text me in here, I'll get back within 24 hours. And ChatGPT should be winding down here, so we'll see how this new version comes up, and then we'll sign off here. A quick video for today, but this was a prompt I saw on Instagram. I thought it was really cool. I thought it was something that I hadn't really seen a guide for on YouTube, and it's super easy, super simple. So I knew I could hop on here and make this tutorial today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I respond to every single comment on YouTube. So if you have questions, drop them down there. If you've tried a different prompt and it looks really good, drop it in there as well. Super excited to see what people come up with, and I'm sure, again, like in the school community, there will be, once this post goes live, there will people will be responding with their versions of this as well. So as this is finishing up, again, this was the final product. Not bad, really cool how it just looks at the ground here. And then we're going to wait a few more seconds here to see what it comes up with when we do the same thing, but we make it a foggy morning diluted light, right? Yeah, very cool. So we'll see. Let's see here. Foggy morning. Very nice. So just changed the background up a little bit. Same profile picture. Very cool. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I make a video every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.